Good morning. Beautiful, by the way. Agong looks really great, and Tulamben is calling. We will go for some diving in Tulamben. We'll do 2 dives today, just to check out what is the visibility and is the fishes on the same places as always. Supposed to be really good dives. See you later. Dive. So many divers today in at the Liberty wreck. It's like many. When we just arrived, it's like at the moment everybody is in the water or coming out of the water. Someone already left, but when we just came, there were about like 50 people going in the water, like in a normal times. decided to take a walk, evening walk. Looks amazing. The problem is that last night my left knee accidentally became painful in this part here. So here, and I wasn't able to sleep all night because it was so painful that I was able only sleep on my back, and I wasn't able to bend my knee at all. And so like kind of super confused because I didn't twist it, or I didn't get any other injuries on my knees. It's never been painful before, even I did trail running almost every day. Well, there never been a problem. Why now, accidentally, super painful that you even cannot touch it. In the morning, I opened the Google physiology of knee, and I thought maybe it's a problem of quadriceps knee tendon, English term. And but then I went out diving, and it was kind of, I wasn't able to do the flatter kick, so it's like a flatter kick. So I did only the frog kick because the flatter kick was too painful for me. And I did one dive, then I did a second dive. It was kind of hard to get out for me from the pickup, and but then accidentally in some point all the pain disappeared, and then I spent a little bit of time in a dive center, and the pain came back again. So I started to think maybe it's nothing about the tendon, or anything about the ligaments. Maybe it's acid. I came 1.3 kilometers up. To say that it wasn't painful, it's actually kind of lying. It was painful actually, but in some point it became easier. I'm still limping, it's still painful, but I think it's kind of true about that acid, because if there is a problem with a tendon, that I think I would not be able to step on that feet at all. While I'm still able, and as more I'm moving, in some point it's getting better. After a while the pain will come back again, but that's how it looks like. In a couple of days I'm planning a little bit longer hike. I'm not really sure I will be able to do it, but let's see how it will be after tomorrow's diving in Chandidasa. All right, thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, follow, and see you tomorrow again in an amazing episode from Chandidasa. See you. Bye.